What's up, everyone? Today we're challenging AI to replace Typeform, Tally, and Jotform in under 2 minutes with just simple prompts. To do this, I'm using Tented AI, a vibe coding platform built specifically for marketing and sales teams to generate go-to-market content. Let's start by entering a basic prompt to create a customer survey with 3 questions. And I'm going to ask it to generate a survey page that has a very similar look and feel to Typeform. All you have to do is describe what you need in your form, and AI will take it from there. The AI is now generating our survey in real time. In under 90 seconds, AI will create custom fields, conditional logic, and a modern professional design automatically. No setup or drag and drop required, and more importantly, less time wasted. Just describe what you want by casually chatting with AI. You can even use voice to dictate your requests, which I think is kind of fun. While pre-AI form builders can take hours clicking and configuring to get to your desired output, Tented understands your intent and will build exactly what you asked it for. It's like having a trained web developer sitting right next to you. The AI can handle different field types, validation rules, and even the visual styling, all from a single prompt. You may be wondering, can AI really one-shot everything that a full-featured form builder can offer? Well, so far our users have found that AI works great for 99% of the forms that they're building day to day. In fact, Typeform even published a report recommending users keep forms simple with no more than 6 questions in order to optimize for conversion. For these kind of forms, AI is perfect for the job and can save your teams tons of time. Alright, let's take a look at our new form. Precisely on brand based on info we provided. And we were able to go from prompt to form in under 90 seconds. That's the power of AI and AI native products. Your form is ready to be published to the web with just a click of a button, and Tented will automatically capture form submissions without any other setup required. Send form data to your email inbox automatically, or even notify the rest of your team in apps like Microsoft Teams or Slack. Quit messing with form builders from the pre-agentic world. Level up with AI and try Tented today for free.